You can take the oath with the Bible, the Quran, or affirm, as the case may be.
I, Kindiki, do swear the evidence that I shall give before this committee on the matter under its consideration shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Yes, Owen?
I'm wondering whether that is on record, because I don't know whether the mic was on or not.
Was the mic on?
So probably we need to redo the oath.
I thought it was on, but for avoidance of doubt, Professor, you may repeat the oath.
I, Kindiki, do swear that the evidence I shall give before this committee on the matter under its consideration shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Welcome to the Committee of Parliament, Professor. This is the second time this committee is having an opportunity to have a bite at you in terms of vetting and assessing your suitability to hold the office to which you have been nominated. Before we start, we'll do some quick introduction of the team or the committee that's going to interrogate you. On my right is the Deputy Speaker of the House, Honorable Gladys Boss. On my left is the Clerk of the National Assembly, Samuel Njoroge. I'll now invite all the members to introduce themselves, starting with Naisula here. Go round.
Naisula Lesuda, Samburu West MP.
Kimani Shongo.
Junet Mohammed.
Nelson Koech.
Kosing David.
Kikari David.
Emase Mary.
Abdul Rahim Daoud.
I'm Ferdinand Kevin Wanyonyi.
George Gitonga Murugara.
Owen Bayer.
Robert Mbui.
Stephen Mule.
Dido Raso.